We're here in one of our other local parks inside of a subdivision, College Park, located in Claremont, Florida. Just giving back, making it safe and clean for people to be able to enjoy the area. We're going to clean and sterilize the whole park, all the benches and surfaces where people are touching, to kind of knock out this virus. Give us a like, comment what you think. This is Branom's Pressure Washing LLC. Owner Chase Branom, Director Chris Branom. And we're doing this solely for free. Just like everybody else is doing, we're doing it. We've been doing it before he was even making news. So stay tuned and I'll give you a video of us in action.